Hi, Ann here from Backroad Buddies, and the video we want to share with you today is about day 3 on our Rhine cruise as we stopped and toured Cologne, Germany, or Köln, Deutschland. To get your bearings, this is the country of Germany, and Cologne, or Köln, is right here in the about midway down the country on the west side, south of Dusseldorf. Now, the previous day on our cruise, on day 2, we were at Kinderdijk, which is just outside of Rotterdam, and it was after that that we picked up the Waal River, which becomes the Rhine River as it enters into Germany. So it kind of goes along here and then comes down here where we stopped to tour Cologne. Now here's a closer view of the downtown area of Cologne. Now we arrived in Cologne about 11 a.m. and we docked about in here near the Deutsche Brücke, or bridge. And then the first thing we did, we went on the included walking tour, which was about an hour long. So it took us along the river here, and we kind of wandered the streets through here. This is kind of a shopping district, went through the old market, and then worked our way over to the big cathedral, the Kölner Dom, or Cologne Cathedral. And that's where the tour ended. And then we had about 6 or 7 hours left to wander around and explore Cologne on our own. So we started out by walking through the cathedral on our own. Then we went and found a place to have lunch. And then we worked our way down here to the chocolate museum. And there's a Ferris wheel there. We didn't actually go in, we went into the shop real quick. And then we kind of stopped back off at the ship. And then we went for another walk, went up along the river and crossed over on the Hohenzollernbrücke, or Hohenzollern Bridge. And it's a Lovelock bridge, and kind of walked back. So just had a really relaxing time. So sit back, relax, and enjoy Rhine Cruise, Day 3, Cologne, Germany. Thanks for watching. If you want more details about our experiences, look in the description below for a link to our related blog posts, so check that out. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. Ta-ta for now.